WhatsApp notification not showing on an Android mobile phone. Recently, this problem has been showing on many Android mobile phones. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different methods to fix this problem. Hope one will work for you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, the first method is open your WhatsApp application. Then tap on this 3 dots top portion of the WhatsApp, tap on settings, notification and turn on all notification if it disabled. Hope your problem will be fixed if you follow the steps. Now let's move on the second method. Long press on the WhatsApp application and go to app info. You can also go through the apps manager. Here tap on manage notification and turn on allow notification. Also turn on all notification bar. So it was the second method. You can fix your problem following this method. But if this method also does not work for you, then let's move on the third method. Just open your WhatsApp application and try to find out is anyone specifically mute. If anyone specifically muted, you have to unmute him, otherwise you can't show his notifications. So you have to just tap on a profile, tap on the name and turn off the mute notification. Now you will show all the notifications from him. If those methods do not work for you, uninstall your WhatsApp application and reinstall it. But you must be more careful about that you have a backup before uninstalling your WhatsApp. Here is another video how to backup and restore WhatsApp from Google Drive, link in the description. If you have any confusion about that, you can watch this video. I hope this video gonna be very helpful for you. If you wanna get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.